Love is like a never-ending melody. Always have compared it to a symphony. Symphony conducted by the lighting of the moon. But a song of love is slightly out of tune. Once your kisses raised me to a fever pitch, but now the orchestration doesn't seem so rich. Seems to me you changed the song we used to sing. Like a bossa nova, love should swing. We used to harmonize two souls in perfect time, but now the song is different and the words don't seem to rhyme. You forgot the melody our hearts would always croon. And what good's a love that's slightly out of tune? Tune your heart to mine the way it used to be. Join with me in harmony and sing a song of love, and we're bound to get in tune again before too long. And there'll be no Desafinado when your heart belongs to me completely, and you won't be slightly out of tune. You'll sing along with me. We used to harmonize two souls in perfect time, but now the song is different and the words don't even rhyme. You forgot the melody our hearts would always croon. And so what good's a love that's slightly out of tune? Tune your heart to mine the way it used to be. Join with me in harmony and sing a song of love, and we're bound to get in tune again before too long. And there'll be no Desafinado when your heart belongs to me completely, and you won't be slightly out of tune.